Welcome, ambitious entrepreneurs and savvy founders. Today, we're delving into a crucial aspect of fundraising, tailoring your pitch deck for seed versus Series A funding. Each funding stage has its unique focus, and your pitch deck needs to align with these specific requirements to maximize your chances of success. Let's break down the key differences. For seed funding, the focus is primarily on your vision and potential. Your deck should concentrate on the problem you're solving, your innovative solution, and the market opportunity. It's about convincing investors of the potential of your idea, even with limited hard data or traction. Shifting to Series A funding, the stakes are higher. Here, investors seek evidence of traction, growth metrics, and a clear path to profitability. Your Series A deck should include a detailed market analysis, established revenue models, and solid user growth data. Market validation also differs between these stages. For seed rounds, it's more about potential market size and preliminary user feedback. In contrast, Series A requires you to demonstrate a proven market fit and effective customer acquisition strategies. When presenting your team in seed rounds, emphasize their potential, expertise, and commitment to the vision. In Series A, pivot to showcasing the team's achievements and how they've successfully begun executing the vision. Financial projections need to be tailored accordingly. In seed decks, provide basic financial projections and immediate funding needs. For Series A, you'll need detailed financials, future revenue projections, and a clear explanation of how the funds will be used. Competitive analysis is important at both stages. However, for Series A, delve deeper into your competitive advantage, market position, and how you differentiate from competitors. Finally, the story evolution is key. Your seed pitch might focus on the why of your business, while your Series A pitch should transition to the how, detailing how you're executing your vision and scaling your business. Remember, adapting your pitch deck to the specific funding stage is not just about changing numbers or adding details. It's about evolving the narrative of your business to match the expectations and interests of investors at each stage. Let's make your pitch deck a presentation and a strategic tool for your fundraising journey.